So you've decided to use Flipsnack for your project. So you're going to come up to the address bar and type in www.flipsnack.com and press enter. And you're going to be brought to the Flipsnack page. Now, Flipsnack is an interactive flip book, so when you are done, your final product will look like a virtual magazine. You can add pictures and video and links and text into the flip book, so you can make them as fancy as you want. We're going to go up to sign in, and we're going to click on sign in with Google. Now you may get a pop-up that asks you if it's okay that Flipsnack uses your Google sign-in, and you're going to click on yes. I've used Flipsnack before, so mine does not ask me that. Now you can do Flipsnack in a few different ways. You can use these templates, or you can create from scratch. And you can do that by coming up to create. And then they give you the option of portrait, landscape, or templates that you've created before. We don't have templates right now. Landscape is when the book goes sideways. As you can see, portrait is where it goes up and down. We're going to use the blank up and down portrait. And that's where you end up with your blank page. So this is the page that you're working on right now. Now, once you get to this point, Flipsnack works very similar to PowerPoint or to using Google Slides in the way that you have your options over on this side. And the best way to learn the options is just to go through them and see what you have available to you. So the first one would be media. So if you wanted to create a hyperlink, this is how you would do that. We won't use the shopping option because we're not selling anything. This is where you would create images, and you can either use the images that they provide to you, or you can actually upload your own image. Here are shapes and different, you can use these as backgrounds. There's a way to highlight information. So if I wanted that to be the background of that picture. I can add that picture to my Flipsnack just by dragging and dropping it over there. Okay, I can add text, and it gives me different kinds of fonts that I can use. So if I want to use the text, I just drag it and drop it over there. And then you can change the size and the color to be whatever you want. Interaction is a way to help people reading your book and to help guide them through your Flipsnack. So if you wanted somebody to be able to go to the next page, you would click on and drag the next page on there. Maybe you want them to be able to quickly go to the first page. You would put that option on there. And we won't be using this, but you can also add social elements like YouTube and Instagram to your Flipsnack. And we won't be using the widget right now, but the widget does give you a preview that you can take a look at the way that your Flipsnack is going to look. Okay. And if you want to add another page, you would go back to the layout, and this is where you would add the page right here. So that is where your second page would be. And you can also go into layouts, and it will give you example layouts. So maybe this one has a picture on the top. I would change the picture to what I want just by dragging and dropping the pictures over there. And I can change my story or change the subtitles and the information to being what I want as well. Okay. Once you're done, you have two options up here. You can preview it, and that will also give you the preview option. Okay. And then you can publish it, and by publishing it, we would save it. And then we're going to publish. Okay. So we want to make sure that we save our work so that it's there and we have it. It does not save in real time like Google Docs, so we want to make sure that we are hitting that save feature every now and then. And then we can title it. We can add a description if we want. Click OK. And then you can see it's working up here. It's publishing it. All right. And then this is where my Flipsnack would actually be. So I could edit it from here if I wanted, but this Flipsnack is now under my Flipsnack profile. So if I go back to my profile right here, I'm going to see my Flipsnack, and it's still rendering, so it'll take a minute to show up there. But these are two other Flipsnacks I've created, and I could go back to that if I wanted, and then edit it. So that is how you use Flipsnack. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.